Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be doing a garden video. I'm going to show you all different things that I might plant today and different things that I've been working on in my area while I was away, while I wasn't filming as much. So stay tuned. We just entered into the spring month and it's been awesome. I've been loving everything that's been coming up. We prepared a little bit in the fall for the spring by planting a bunch of different bulbs and plants that were going to come up and just make the springtime very beautiful. So I'm excited to show you all some of it, including this little bush that I'm in front of right now. It's just gorgeous. I love it. There's a few other things that are finally coming into bloom and starting to sprout back up. So I'm excited. I love the springtime. Normally I say fall is my favorite season, but right now I'm just loving spring so much to where I can't choose right now. I guess once I'm in the season I begin to like it and enjoy the moment a lot more. But anyway, I can't wait to show you all some things that I'm going to be doing in my area or some things that I already did, and show you all different things that are sprouting up in our backyard. So with that being said, stay tuned and yeah. Right now I'm walking over to show you all these daffodils that came up around this tulip tree that, as you all can see, the tulip tree is starting to bloom. But these are the daffodils. Aren't they gorgeous? I can imagine by the second year or the third year of these blooming, it'll be a whole lot more full over here and much more beautiful. So now I'm walking to my area. I want to show you all a few things, a few awesome things that are coming up in my area today, or should I say the spring. So first I want to show you all that I renewed the mulch over here. Put just a quick clean layer. So putting a new layer of red mulch on top really made it look a whole lot more vibrant, because over the winter with all of the rain that was coming down, it kind of washed away some of the color. But putting new mulch on top made it look a lot better. Walking on this new pathway that I made over here, as you can see, stuff is growing up through it, but I'm trying to figure out whether or not I should put mulch or what, because I know I want this area to be the main red area, and right now buying more mulch is not something I plan on doing right now. Buying red mulch, buying more. My mom bought those bags over there, and which I was thankful for. She bought everyone some to kind of freshen up their areas a bit. And so yeah, this just made it look a whole lot more vibrant. But lately I've been buying seeds and different things to plant. I went on ahead and put down my lavender seeds over here. When I looked on the back of the pack, I realized that it could be a little bit too early. But I pray it's not too early. Today is pretty warm. Tomorrow's supposed to be in the 80s, but sometimes you may get a little bit of surprises when you're still in spring. So anyway, I definitely plan on planting some vegetables. So I love the flowers that are on okra plants, so I might think about planting okra over there, because as you all can see, this is basically a flower garden. until all the flowers come up, it just looks like a regular sitting area. But yeah, I planted flowers down in here. There's flowers coming up here. As you can see, they're just doing a whole lot better since I last showed you the sprouts, everything. Rose bush over there with yellow roses that will bloom sooner or later. And I want to go on it and update you all on this rose bush with the pink roses that will bloom sooner or later. It's looking so much more healthy than last time. Last time I didn't have as many leaves, but I'm excited to see how it's looking now. So yeah. These are called crocus flowers. I planted these here. I believe that's how you pronounce it, crocus. This is another bush that I dug up from the side of the house. My mom didn't want it there anymore, so I dug it up and put it here. Look, like these are starting to get little buds. I think they get a bunch of pretty pink flowers, so that's going to be gorgeous. And there goes some more of my tulips growing there. And I just really want to show you, update you all on these tulips right here. Just look. They're so gorgeous. Like, if I had to choose to be a plant for my area, I know this is weird, but if I had to choose to be a plant, I would definitely choose to be one of these red tulips because they're gorgeous and they're pretty. And yeah, if I had to choose to be a plant, I would definitely want to be a flower or a flower tree or something of that sort. Anyway, so you all can see my canna lilies. At first, since I didn't do much research on these, I was a little bit doubtful and a little bit nervous that these weren't going to come up. Like, I thought these probably weren't perennial. But looking at this, seeing all over little green shoots coming up out of the ground. So that just made my day. I'm just excited to see what those look like. Again, last year I didn't get any of the yellow flowers, so that was disappointing. Although I did love the way the leaves look, I didn't get any flowers, but this year I'm sure I will. Yeah, willing. And so yeah, I just wanted to go in depth, show you all a few things. These are just some 3 little flower bulbs that I planted here, and there's 3 over here, but those are a little bit more advanced. And now I just love these. I really look forward to when I can plant these and they start to spread. They're gorgeous. That's if I'm gonna plant them. I'm not sure if I can plant them over here yet, but we'll see. So I'm not sure if I already updated you all on this nice shelf thing that I have here. Yeah, we were buying a cabinet from some people and they had a whole bunch of other stuff for sale, and so I saw this and I thought it would go perfect in the garden. I'm not sure if it's made for going in the garden, but it was $10 and I just had to get it. It was awesome. So yeah, as you all can see, I did a whole lot since the little break that I took. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you all are actually interested in seeing me do some of the work in my area, because I know I did a lot since before the last video update that I gave you all. And I thought I would take a break from filming because sometimes the filming would kind of get in the way. It would be hard to really work freely and get a lot done, having to man the camera as well. But it's indeed possible, and it's definitely not too hard. It's definitely not harder than the work that I am doing in my area. So let me know in the comment section below if you all are interested in seeing the process of my garden area and how it will progress and the different things that I will do. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below, because I have done a lot and I still have a whole lot more ideas, yeah, willing, that I will implement soon. So one more thing that I want to show you all is this little small area that I have right here. You all are probably wondering what it is, and if you can guess what it is before I say what it is, then please comment below. So anyway, this is lemon balm. It's related to mint. It's in the mint family, and it has an awesome smell. Once it gets bigger, it smells great. This is an herb, so you can use it in teas. It makes great tea. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it's healthy. I have to look into its health benefits, but I love the smell, and I just love the way it looks, and I thought it would be nice, a cute little area for the lemon balm to be right in front of this nice little gate that my sister gave me. And so yeah, I love this. I look forward to being able to come out here when the leaves get bigger and plucking some and making myself a nice little tea to sip on.